Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today's video is going to be a swimwear try-on haul. All the clothes are from Cupshe, and if you don't know about them, it's an amazing website where you can shop swimwear, beachwear. They have amazing clothes and it's so freaking trendy. Please go ahead and check their website. You'll know what I'm talking about. I found a lot of pieces over there that a lot of celebrities have worn, so I was really pumped to try their clothes on. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the first swimwear that I got, and I really wanted to point out the packaging as well. Each and every bikini or swimwear comes in a Ziploc bag like this, which is really convenient when you're traveling. Just drop it in your luggage and you're good to go. This is how the swimwear top looks like. It is green in color and has white stripes on it. This looks absolutely amazing. It has halter neck, and if you are someone who is a little bit on the heavier side or just don't want to show a lot of skin, these kind of top are going to be a blessing. I am absolutely in love with it. It looks so freaking good. Love the quality. It has amazing stretch on it. It is a little bit tight. It's gonna stretch and it is gonna look good on you, trust me. It has cuffs inside, so you don't have to wear anything inside, and the back is crisscross. I know अभी इसमें तो समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा, but try on में आपको जरूर समझेगा. But to be honest, this is my absolute favorite bikini that I got from Cupshe. And the bottom looks something like this. It has such pretty leaf pattern on it. Set fits me amazing and I love it. Next one I got is this beautiful monokini. I am obsessing over the color. Look at it, such a pretty green color. It has a halter neck and the neckline is pretty deep and V. So if you are someone who has a problem showing the cleavage area and don't want to do that, then just keep this in mind that it has a deep V neck. The back is pretty low as well, which I love. The best thing about this monokini is the stomach area. It has an amazing ruching detailing right over here. So if you are someone who has a little bit of bulge or problematic tummy area, this is gonna look flawless over there because it's gonna just cinch everything in and make it look flawless. Trust me on this. The only problem I have with this monokini is the halter neck. Now I am a little bit on the heavier side, so to make sure that it sits nice and properly, I have to tie it really tight, and it does hurt my neck. That's the only problem I have with it. Fit wise, it's really amazing. It does have cup, you don't have to wear anything else. Stretchy है, material बहुत सही है. Rest of the quality wise, it's amazing. That's the only problem I have with this bikini. Next, I got this beautiful printed bikini. The print on this sold me out. I was like, yes, getting it, girl. It has a crisscross at the bottom, as you can see over here, and this is how the back looks like. The cups are pretty big as well, so amazing for girls who are a little bit heavy chested. This is gonna look beautiful. This is a V-neck again, but the top fits me perfectly and it looks amazing. And the bottom is a high-waisted bottom, and I'm obsessed with this bottom. It hits me near the belly button area. It has beautiful detailing at the side as well, as you can see over here. It has nice stripes detailing at the side, and it has the same print as the top. It also has a print on the inside as well. I'm not sure whether I can wear it inside out, but the inside print is also very pretty. Both the top and bottom fits me perfectly. It's super secure, not flimsy at all. Quality बहुत सही है, super stretchy. Even the pad का quality inside का जो pad है, उसका quality भी बहुत सही है. Amazing piece. I really like it. Love the print, love the whole feel of it. Next, I got another monokini, and look at this red hot piece. I am obsessed with the color. The straps are also super thick, so it's not thin and flimsy at all, which is amazing. It does have cuffs inside, and it has a straight across top. This is how the strap looks like in the back, and इसका जो पीछे का clasp भी है वो बहुत ही sturdy है और it won't come off easily, and you don't want that to happen. This is how the bottom looks like. It's connected to the top, as you can see over here. It's not cheeky at all, fits me perfectly, has amazing coverage. I really like it. This is the one I'm talking about. I've seen a lot of celebs rocking the same exact thing in different color, but it's the same exact thing and it looks super hot. And the last thing that I got from Cupshe is not actually a swimsuit. It's a swimwear cover up, which is again very important. The moment I saw this on the site or on the website, I knew I had to get it. I was obsessed as soon as I looked at it, because look at this crochet detailing right over here. It's beautiful. एंड द मटेरियल जो ये क्लॉथ का मटेरियल है, आई डोंट नो विच मटेरियल इट इज बट इट्स सुपर सॉफ्ट एंड एक्सट्रीमली कंफर्टेबल. ये पूरा का पूरा टॉप इज सुपर सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. मटेरियल वाइज बहुत ही सही है. इट हैज 3/4 स्लीव ऑन इट एंड इसका जो क्रोशे डिटेलिंग है इट गोज फ्रॉम लाइक आर्म टू आर्म, सो इट काइंड ऑफ गिव्स अ यू effect at the bottom. It's not a super long cover up, it's actually a short top, so you can wear shorts underneath if you want to cover it up properly. And yeah, obsessed with this one. I love this purchase. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and all the products that I've shown in today's video will be linked in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. I have a coupon code for you guys, which is YTShruti. The code will be on the screen. So if you're shopping for $70 and more, you'll get 10% off by using this code, so don't forget to use this code. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends and spread it across. And yeah, the comment shout out goes to Fatima Shahana. Thank you, Fatima, for commenting on my video and the overwhelming response that I got with, for the video that I did with my mom. It really means a lot. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.